Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the BMO student credit card. As a student, managing your finances effectively is crucial, and having a credit card can be a great tool to build your credit score and earn rewards. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to use your BMO student credit card responsibly and efficiently. First, let's start with the basics. The BMO student credit card is designed specifically for students. With features such as no annual fee, low interest rates, and rewards programs to get started, you need to activate your card by calling the phone number provided on the sticker or by logging into your online banking account. Once your card is activated, you can start using it to make purchases online or in store. Make sure to sign the back of your card and keep it in a safe place to prevent unauthorized transactions. When making a purchase, simply swipe or insert your card and enter your PIN or provide your signature to complete the transaction. To manage your account, you can log into your online banking account or use the BMO mobile app. From there, you can check your balance, view your transactions, and pay your bill. It's essential to pay your bill on time to avoid interest charges and late fees. You can set up automatic payments or pay your bill manually through online banking or by phone. One of the key benefits of the BMO student credit card is the rewards program. You can earn points or cash back on your purchases, which can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or statement credits. To maximize your rewards, make sure to use your card for all your daily purchases and take advantage of exclusive offers and promotions. To use your BMO student credit card responsibly, it's essential to keep track of your spending and stay within your means. Make sure to set a budget and prioritize your expenses to avoid overspending. You should also monitor your credit score regularly to ensure it's accurate and up to date. In addition to the rewards program, the BMO student credit card also offers other benefits such as purchase protection, travel insurance, and concierge services. These benefits can provide you with peace of mind and protection when making purchases or traveling. Finally, to get the most out of your BMO student credit card, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully and understand the interest rates, fees, and rewards program. By following these steps and using your card responsibly, you can build a strong credit score, earn rewards, and develop healthy financial habits that will benefit you for years to come. By using your BMO student credit card wisely, you can take control of your finances, achieve your financial goals, and set yourself up for long-term success. Remember to always use your card responsibly, and seek help if you have any questions or concerns about your account. With the BMO student credit card, you can build a strong financial foundation and achieve your goals with confidence.